This is our stunning 2017 facelift on a 66 plate Bentley Continental GT Speed. With it being the facelift one, it's actually got 650 horsepower, tops 200 miles an hour, and 0 to 60 in around 3 seconds. It's in the absolute best colour combination of this beautiful grey with the light ivory and charcoal interior. Got that fantastic GT Speed embroidery on the headrest, the quilted perforated leather. Not sure how well the camera's picking up the colour on the under the lights here, but it is absolutely stunning. You've got these lovely jewelled headlamps, and then this grille all the way across the front. It's in immaculate condition all the way through. You've got the 21-inch wheels, polished with the huge red brake calipers with the Bentley logo on them. The facelift Bentley B in the wing, which you only get on the newer models, with the Speed emblem down there. I think that makes it, as do the lights and everything that come with the facelift version. Got the chrome finish on the door handles and on the side strake. These are obviously all keyless. And the chrome around the window surround. What an absolute stunning car. Really, everyone that sees it or has seen it so far just comments on how beautiful it is. Got the chrome around the LED rear tail lights. There's huge oval exhaust with the groove that you get in the W12. Cameras all round, or reverse camera I should say. If we open the boot, you've got a huge boot space that you can use. All carpeted, of course. Underneath, got all the spare toolkit as it should be. Close that now. Whole car's unmarked, as you'd expect. It's only done just over 9,000 miles. Doors feel heavy and solid, as they should. Everything's covered in leather. The black with the white stitching and the quilted perforated ivory. Chrome switches. Speed entry sill plates. You've got electric memory seats, of course. The driver's seat is massaging. At the rear we've got much of the same. You've also got the centre armrest that drops down, and then the cup holders and 12-volt socket, as well as the rear air vents. And then obviously the rear window switch is there, and you've also got these hooks which have a lovely nice knack to them, and the whole headlining of course is perforated charcoal leather, as is everything here. Everything just feels beautifully made. Quality is fantastic. Got the Speed logo on the dash there, and obviously these lovely adjustments for the vents. Of course, the leather and stitching on the dash as well, and the additional tweeters for the speakers. Of course, everything is covered in leather and contrast stitching as well. You've got your sunglasses holder there with the Bentley emblem on it, and the gear selector again with the Bentley emblem, and solid wood, solid polished wood on everything else. Moving around to the driver's side. Much of the same. Of course, you've got the window switches, petrol and boot release, speakers built in the door pockets. You can see there you've got your massagers. I think you've got them on both seats if I'm not mistaken. Speed dial, brushed stainless entry sills. And then here you've got your gear selectors, adjustable electric steering column, all the milled finish to the switches here, the lights, heated and ventilated seats, start button, hazard lights, it's all there exactly as you'd want. And then, like I said, you've got the sunglass holder. Keys have the lovely nailed finish on them. And then you've got your tracker fob and centre armrest there. Additional storage in there. This car's also fitted with cameras front and rear, which record all the time. So even if you're not in the car, you can pull up pictures on your phone to see if anyone's come close to it or approached it or anything like that. Again, you've got the lovely Breitling for Bentley clock. Again, this nice finish here. Nailed finish to the gear selector and all this padding on all the mats. Mirrors, heated of course, power folding, handbrake. All your controls on your steering wheel, again they've got the nailed finish and the Bentley logo. Lovely black stitching there on the ivory leather. It's just a work of art everywhere you look. Beautiful, beautiful car. Turn off these lamps now. And that is our Bentley GT Speed. We do of course offer all finance options, whether it be hire purchase, lease purchase, or of course PCP. So if you'd like a quote on any of those, just give us a call. We offer nationwide delivery to your door, so if you want the car delivered on an enclosed trailer, we can of course facilitate that for you. And of course we offer warranties on all our cars as well. So if you'd like to inquire about any of our services, just give me a call. I'll be more than happy to discuss it with you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Good night.